Hello friends, my name is Uttam and I'm from class 11th B. Today I'm going to create a program that help the user to use the functions which are used to manipulate a particular list. So first we have to create it. So I'm using the script mode of Python to create this program. Before running this program we have to save it, so let's save it in desktop. Yes, now I'm going to run this. There is a list named my list and it contains 5 elements, all are integers. We can add an element in this list, or we can delete or remove an element. We can insert a particular list in this list, and so that these both the list will merge and they form a new list. Or if the all of the elements are integers, then we can sort it in ascending or descending order too. So let's begin. We'll start with the first function, which is appending an element. If you want to insert an integer, then we'll write yes, 55, and the 55 inserted at the last of the list. Now we'll try to insert a string. So we'll write no for the integer, and let's insert ruha, and this is inserted at the last. That if we want to insert it in a particular position, let's say at the position of 16, so we will choose the option 2 and write the index, which is 2. If we want to insert an integer, we will write yes, and then let's say 43, and yes, it's done. Now if we want to append a particular list, then we will choose the option 3, enter our list. Now these both of the lists are merged. We can also remove a particular element from the list. Let's choose the option 6 to delete an element from its value. Now we have to enter its value. Let's say 38. the 38 is removed, which was between 16 and 13. So that's all.